Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Haja Poili Election Commission, they behaved as if they were the agents of the government. We would like to appeal to the newly appointed SEC. Don't try to be a puppet of this government. So Goa Forward Party along with the petitioners are always open. Our options are open if SEC behaves like the agent of the government. आता आज सकाळी जे आमचे पेटिशनर आशिल्ले हांच्यांनी इलेक्शन कमिशनाक आज एक रिप्रेझेंटेशन केल्लें आसा की जे म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शन मागीर जातले सर ते जाय मेरेन जे 20 तारखेक जे इलेक्शन जाता ते फाल्यां हाजे आनी ताजे काउंटिंग बरोबर घेवचे whenever the second 5 municipalities are notified, elections are notified. आणि हातून प्रेसिडेंट आसात बँड वॅगन इफेक्ट म्हणजे पयली एक कडेन इलेक्शन जाता रोखडेच दुसरें इलेक्शन आसता तेन्ना काउंटिंग हॅज टू बी टुगेदर ऑर एल्स देर विल बी अ बँड वॅगन इफेक्ट ऑन द रेस्ट ऑफ द polls. So this is clearly mentioned and there are precedents which are given in this book also. I hope that the new SEC, Ramanmurthy, reads this book, How India Votes. Also, he goes through the Gazette notification of Election Commission of India dated 31st October 2020 with regards to the elections in Bangalore. We hope that he has not come on a pleasure jaunt. The SEC from Hyderabad, Mr. W. Ramanmurthy, the retired sir, hope he has not come on a pleasure jaunt and he has come to uphold the Constitution of India, uphold the true spirit of the democracy. So ताणे बळी पडचे न्ही ताका जर सल्लो जाय, if he needs a legal advice, he may seek it from the Election Commission of India